So in this video, I want to practice solving very simple algebraic equations and so solving for x. So let's say we have the equation x plus 3 equals 4. So now before we do any algebra, you might notice that a number plus 3, that has to be 4, the number has to be 1 because 1 plus 3 is 4. Now let's do the same thing that we just said with algebra. So we're going to subtract 3 on both sides. So once we do that, this cancels. 4 minus 3 is 1, so x equals 1. So what you thought in your head, we just proved with algebra. So let's do one more. So let's say we have x plus 2 plus 1 has to be 7. So an unknown number plus 2 plus 1 has to equal 7. So now this one might be a little bit more difficult to do in your head right off the bat. So first we're going to simplify a little bit. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have x plus 3 equals 7. So from there we can subtract 3 on both sides. Or sorry, that doesn't cancel. 7 minus 3 is 4. So in this case, x has to be 4. So let's see if that works. 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is indeed 7. So that works. And then let's do one more. So let's say we have x plus 3 equals 7 plus 23. All right, so here we can do some simplification before we start solving for x. So let's I keep using 3. So let's simplify this side first. So what's 7 plus 23? That is going to be 30. So we have x plus 3 equals 30. Now from here we can subtract 3 once again. And then we have, so that cancels. So x equals, what's 30 minus 3? Well, that's 27. So x equals 27. Now I encourage you to practice these equations yourself. You can search up online simple algebra linear equations and download a worksheet to practice these.